Fringe science is a field of scientific inquiry which represents a significant departure from orthodox theories. Fringe science may be valid science which is not considered mainstream yet. A concept that was once accepted by the mainstream scientific community may become fringe science because of a later evaluation. Although fringe science is founded in established science, it explores concepts at the extreme boundaries of mainstream studies. Let us explore some of these intriguing theories. A parallel universe is a hypothetical self-contained reality coexisting with one's own. A specific group of parallel universes are called a multiverse, although this term can also be used to describe the possible parallel universes that constitute reality, which means that somewhere out there might be another Earth and there might be another you. Famously, physicist Stephen Hawking's last paper before his death also dealt with the multiverse. The paper was published in May 2018, just a few months after Hawking's demise. Teleportation is the instantaneous travel from point to point within this universe, as well as forward or backward in time and space. In 1997, scientists made a huge breakthrough in teleportation when they discovered quantitative entanglement, or the ability to use a pair of electrons to move information over huge distances. On 23 August 2019, researchers from the Austrian Academy of Sciences and the University of Vienna did an experiment. The researchers teleported the quantum state of one photon, that is a light particle, to another distant one. The simulation theory proposes that all of reality, including the Earth and the universe, is in fact an artificial simulation. It is also known as Matrix, which of course would ring a bell owing to the Keanu Reeves starrer trilogy that went by the same name. This movie described the livings as ones and zeros of computer data. A person's brain determines how they experience the world around them. The brain weighs about 3 pounds and contains around 100 billion neurons that are cells that carry information. There is a hypothesis that the human brain is infinitely capable, but certain social and physical factors prohibit us from reaching our full potential.